Hello everyone. Welcome to Heaven's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make delicious crispy potato balls. They're flavorful, tasty and very easy to make. Let's get started. Add the potatoes to a medium-sized pan. Pour hot water, making sure all the potatoes are covered. Bring to a boil for around 15 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Using a fork or a potato masher, mash the boiled potatoes until they're smooth and free of lumps. Now add the starch. It's time to add some flavor. Season the mashed potatoes with salt, pepper, and any other spices of your choice. You'll find the ingredients in the description box below. Thoroughly mix the seasoning into the mashed potatoes, ensuring that the flavors are evenly distributed. Using your hand, mix the starch into the mashed potatoes until it's well incorporated, then shape it like a ball. Take a small portion of the mashed potatoes and roll it between your palms to form a small ball. Next, it's time to fry these delectable potato balls. Heat up a generous amount of oil in a frying pan. Carefully place the potato ball into the hot oil, ensuring it's fully submerged. Keep stirring until they turn to a beautiful golden color, ensuring they're evenly cooked on all sides. And there you have it. Crispy potato balls, ready to be enjoyed. These potato balls are the perfect combination of crispy and creamy. Serve them as a snack or a delightful appetizer at your next gathering. If you enjoyed the recipe and want to see more delicious content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, and happy cooking!